In 1805, Captain Meriwether Lewis and Second Lieutenant William Clark, leading a small party of enlisted men and civilians, became the first U.S. citizens to reach the Oregon coast. Following the Columbia River, after an arduous 2-year journey, they would eventually reach the Pacific coast in November of 1805 near modern-day Astoria, Oregon. Charged by President Thomas Jefferson with the task of exploring the newly acquired Louisiana Purchase, they were only the first in a long line of Westerners that would be captivated by the Pacific Northwest's stunning natural beauty. The Oregon coast is unique in being home to the largest expanse of coastal sand dunes of anywhere in North America. Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area comprises of 7,000 acres of sand dunes, some of them rising over 500 feet above sea level.